My name is Lars Zeitler. I am head of IT at WEILBURGER Graphics and the project manager for the introduction of the manufacturing execution system, MES. WEILBURGER Graphics develops and produces about 30,000 tons of water-based and UV coatings per year for the graphics industry. We want to further expand this site here in Gerhardshofen to be the key player in Europe and the technical and quality leader for our customers in future as well.
Hi, my name is Dr. Dominik Hasenöhrl. I'm a team leader at ProLeiT and I was the project manager for the introduction of a MES system at WEILBURGER Graphics here in Gerhardshofen. In this brownfield project, ProLeiT offered digital consulting in form of the creation of a high-quality specification. The task was to develop a holistic MES approach in order to connect the existing systems used for ERP, planning, production, filling and warehouse management in order to improve transparency, productivity and quality.
With ProLeiT, we were convinced not only by the software, but also had the feeling to have a partner at our side to cope with project with all unforeseen obstacles. With the help of the MES, we wanted in particular to gain more transparency about our processes and the data, beginning from the planning scenarios and ending at data collected throughout the production automatically within the systems. Extensive automation and software support for the workers should help us to avoid errors and to continuously improve our high quality and productivity. This, of course, also means compliance to delivery dates. And all in all, it strengthens WEILBURGER to be the reliable supplier for our customers worldwide.
For the production planning, the detailed scheduling module was connected to the existing ERP system. With this, it is possible to schedule the roughly planned ERP orders for the correct equipment, workplace and time slot in order to increase the asset utilization.
The transparency for the planner is way far better than before. You can see exact duration of orders, overlaps, collisions, times needed, and the state of the orders as they step forward. The risk of errors is significantly reduced due to automated procedures and to the software support, where it helps us to avoid technical errors and human errors. This directly leads to a higher productivity and quality of all.
With our integrated batch orchestration system, it was possible to switch the state-of-the-art production facility of WEILBURGER Graphics into a fully automatic mode. This was enabled by our recipe management, which was used to transform the material-based ERP orders into fully automated process recipes. With this recipe design, we could achieve a high integration of automated and manual process steps within the same order. Therefore, manual processes like weighing are also reported in real time via tablet PCs and no longer via paper.
Development of innovative coating systems means more and more sustainability and also the use of sustainable raw materials. Our next steps are already being planned. We will extend the MES to other production lines, and the potential through automatically collected data will be used to implement predictive maintenance, and it will also help us to achieve our sustainability goals in terms of less energy consumption or less waste.
With regard to sustainability, ProLeiT pursues a holistic approach, taking into account the environmental and the social aspects. On the one hand, our standardization and automation of production processes will lead to fewer errors, production mistakes, and interruptions throughout the production. This reduces the amount of waste, energy, and raw material consumption per batch. This is realized, for example, by the material and asset reservation within our system. As a result, it is no longer possible to start an order with insufficient raw material components or to empty a reserved container into the wrong production tank. On the other hand, the human resource is spared in a business characterized by delivery pressure, as the system offers increased transparency of all processes. As a result, the burden of the decision is spread over several knowing shoulders. In addition, the employees feel supported and safer in their actions due to the decision support system. This already checks important rules and makes them visible to the operators in form of interlocks or warnings.
An expansion of our plant had to be brought forward due to market success and fell right within the ongoing project. Originally planned scenarios were repeatedly changed and improved. All in all, you could say it was a very dynamic project field. The fact that it was nevertheless advanced and finished successfully is mainly due to the fact that we had a very close and trustful interaction with each other and regular, open, close meetings weekly throughout the whole project. In the end, we were able to achieve all of our goals. After all, one could say that ProLeiT not only sells software, but also sells trust in coping a project like that and get things running. In the end, I must say, this assessment has been absolutely confirmed.